我再嚟多次啦，睇唔睇到啊？
可能我嗰度有問題啦，唔知其他人有冇。
其啲同學睇唔睇到啊？
嗯，
其啲同學睇唔睇到？
睇唔到。
睇唔到OK，而家睇唔睇到啊？而家我撳咗個摩喺嗰度喎，睇唔睇到？
睇
睇唔睇到啊？
唔到，
大家咩啊？睇唔睇到先？睇
睇
到啊，又
唔
係，
到，
好似我睇唔到嗰啲啊！唉，我再撳多次啦，睇唔睇到啊？而家睇唔睇到？睇唔睇到啊？
嗯，
大家？
睇唔到，
我將個題目打喺個女話度啦，唉，費事咁咪做真係得㗎。OK，見唔見到個對話嗰度啊？題目嗰度到，見唔見到個對話啊？
睇到。
好，終於睇到啦！嗱，咁咧呢個題目就係咁嘅。The Actors House is offering a scholarship。咁咧呢個演員工作室咧就提供獎學金啦，俾10個年輕嘅寫作家，就參加一個夏日嘅演戲嘅工作坊。咁咧就呢個工作坊咧會推廣呢個演戲嘅藝術咧係一個創意嘅環境。同埋嗰啲 participants 即係嗰啲參觀者咧，就需要咧去討論演戲同嗰啲著名嘅演員。咁你而家要寫一篇申請信，表達你對呢個演戲嘅興趣，同埋點樣你要被選中去參與呢個工作坊。有冇問題啊？對呢個題目？如果冇問題嘅話，咁我哋開始就睇嗰篇範文啦啊！等陣先啊。OK，好，大家睇唔睇到篇範文啊？睇唔睇到？睇唔睇到篇範啊？
冇。
冇。其餘人咧，睇唔睇到啊？都睇唔到啊？咁我 copy and paste 啦。咁啊，呢個第一段啦，呢個嗱第一段就話I'm writing to apply for a scholarship or the summer poetry workshop。咁咧呢個範文就話咧，你參加一個詩人大會啊，詩人寫詩嘅工作室，OK？apply for the scholarship 即係一個叫做獎學金，參加呢個寫詩嘅工作室。This workshop is a valuable opportunity。咁呢個 workshop 係一個好難得嘅機會，讓我去同一啲 outstanding poet 即係一啲好出色嘅詩人咧去互動，interact with 同埋咧 learn from 同佢哋學習啦。So I hope I will be able to get the scholarship。我希望可以攞到個獎學金啦。To join this workshop 可以攞到個獎學金去參加呢個工作坊。With my passion in poetry，咁咧我喺嗰個寫即係喺作詩嘅熱情啦。And my good poetry writing skill 加上我對呢個寫詩嘅嗰種寫作技巧，我相信我係一個 ideal candidate。ideal candidate 即係一個理想嘅人選。好，對於呢個有冇問題啊？對於第一段有冇問題啊？大家有冇？
冇。
好啦，如果大家冇問題嘅話，咁我就去到第二段啦。OK。咁啊，第二段 OK，我而家試下再擺喺嗰個 Word 度睇下大家睇唔睇到啦。 有冇中意範文啊？大家
都係冇啊。
都係冇。
啊有啊，依家有，依家有。
而家嘅話，而家好，好啊咁段啦。Ever since childhood, I have been immersed in an environment with poems。咁咧，我係被沉浸喺一個環境啦，immersed in an environment with poems。咁係一個充滿詩嘅環境啦。My mother, my first source of enlightenment。我爸爸係作為我第一個啟蒙嘅導師。Studied literature at university，佢喺大學學文學嘅。And so she loved reading some nursery rhymes。佢咧中意讀一啲詩詞歌賦，即係總之一啲好簡單嘅詩詞啦。When I was a small child, though I did not understand the meaning of those poems，雖然我唔明白嗰啲詩嘅意思，the soothing melodies 一啲好令人舒緩心情啊嘅旋律咧，have been etched in my memory， 留喺我嗰個記憶裏面咯。OK，咁啊，第一呢段就講翻你童年嘅回憶咯。啊，就媽媽對呢段有冇問題先？對於呢段而家，對於呢段有冇問題啊？對於呢段
哦。
嗱，如果冇問題，我哋去到下一段啦。OK，poems has become an indispensable part of my life。咁啊，詩咧，詩詞歌賦已經成為我生命中不可或缺嘅一部分。Indispensable part。From primary school, I've always read aloud a poem a day for pleasure。咁從小學開始咧，我就已經咧每日一首詩，read aloud a poem a day，每日一首詩，OK。For pleasure 即係一個樂趣啦。When reading poems, I put myself into the position of poets。我將我自己擺喺嗰個詩人嘅位置，put myself into the position of poets。Okay, and try to feel what the poets felt。感受到佢哋感受到佢哋有啲咩感受啊？明唔明白？Those poems were simple children's poems。咁嗰啲詩係好簡單，小朋友嘅詩啦。This habit has cultivated my sense of empathy。咁呢個建立我嗰個同理心，as well as stretched my imagination， 擴闊我嘅視野，which is an important quality for an outstanding poet。作為一個出色嘅詩人嘅其中一個素質啦。My passion in poems continued well into my secondary school。咁我對於詩嘅熱情咧，去到中學，where I met my second source of enlightenment。我遇到我第二嗰個啟發人Miss Lee。有冇大家對呢段有問題啊？對呢段有冇問題啊？大家？冇題嘅話，我哋去到下一段啦。She opened my view into the world of poems by not only introducing me various poems。咁咧佢開拓我喺詩界嘅視野，open my view into the world of poems。OK，開拓我喺詩詞界嘅視野。唔單止介紹唔同種類嘅 poem 啦，介紹唔同種類嘅詩啦。But also teaching me some useful skills and knowledge。介紹一啲好有用嘅技巧同埋知識啦，喺呢個詩詞嘅分析同埋欣賞啦。While the romantic poems 嗱，呢個浪漫詩人 romantic poems。咁呢兩個人係英國著名詩人啦。filled me with love and passion for life， 令到我對詩有愛同埋熱情啦。war poems 即係一啲關於大戰啊戰爭嘅 poems 咧，令我感受到絕望啦 despair。 horror and hardship 嘅一啲呢啲咁嘅絕望啊、恐怖啊同埋困難咧，face blasters 即係學生啲士兵面對呢啲咁嘅心情咯。咁我用到呢個成個用一個 wild 嘅句法去表達翻唔同種類詩詞嘅一種特質。OK。Besides teaching me a wide variety of poems, Miss D also showed me various techniques。咁咧，佢亦都顯示翻唔同嘅技巧 various techniques used by poets from alliteration to imagery。從呢個 alliteration 同埋 imagery。I try to write poems to express my feelings and emotions。咁我去寫詩咧，去表達我嘅感受同埋嗰個情緒 emotions。Under Miss Lee's guidance, in Junior 3, I participated in an inter-school poem writing competition。我參加咗一個校際嘅寫詩嘅比賽，跟住咧 won the first place 啦，at the junior level，攞到第一名啦喺個 junior level，即係一個初級組。This achievement gave me immense encouragement。咁呢個成就咧，俾我更大嘅鼓勵，同埋咧增強我信心。好，有冇問題啊？暫時到呢段
冇。
冇問題。好啊，冇問題嘅話咧，咁我哋到下一段啦。With strength confidence。咁啊，當信心加強咗 strengthened confidence。I began to help my teacher。咁我開始幫我嘅老師咧組織多啲活動咯。OK，organize more activities to promote poetry in school， 去推廣校內嘅一個閱讀詩句啦。And write poems for every issue of the poems。咁啊，同埋咧寫一啲詩 for every issue， 為每一期嘅校嘅詩嘅雜誌咧去寫啲嘢啦。The more frequently I wrote poems, the more I felt inadequate my poetry knowledge and writing skills。當我成日寫 ，the more frequently I wrote，the more I felt inadequate， 咁我越感受到不足啦。OK，that's why I yearn for the opportunity。因此我去好渴望有個機會去同一啲專業而且出名嘅詩人去互動咯。It gives me inspiration， 俾我一個啟發去點樣去寫一個詩句。Give me inspiration on how to write a good poem。好，有冇問題啊？對於呢段仔有冇問題？
冇。
冇。嗱，冇我就去到呢一段啦。This workshop allows student writers to learn from distinguished poets。咁呢個 workshop 咧，令到一啲學生嘅作家啦，可以從一啲出色嘅詩人 distinguished poets 學到嘢啦。出色嘅詩人 distinguished poets。My plentiful poetry writing experience， 我大量嘅寫詩嘅經歷。My plentiful poetry experience， 大量嘅寫詩經歷啦。對於詩嘅熱愛 fervent love for poetry， 對於詩嘅熱愛，同埋好好嘅寫詩嘅技術啦 ，good appreciation skills，and my strong desire to write well-written poems， 我希望寫一啲好好嘅詩句。Makes me an ideal candidate for this poetry workshop， 令到我成一個好出色嘅選品者去參加呢個poetry workshop。OK， The poem sharing session requires student writers to be able to write good poems about which prominent poets can give comments。 OK，你應該咁嗱，可以咁寫嘅。By the end of the poetry sharing sessions, OK, writers will be able to write good poems, OK, about which, OK, prominent poets can give comments, OK，明唔明白？咁咧呢個 relative clause 咧係形容咧呢個 good poems，即係話咧去到喺一個 sharing session 嘅後尾咧，student writers 咧就會寫一啲詩句，咁嗰啲詩人咧就會就呢啲詩句咧寫一啲評語，OK。While my proven poetry writing ability means that I can contribute high quality poems to the workshop，即係話咧我被被證明嘅寫詩能力，令到我可以咧提供一啲高質素嘅詩句俾個 workshop 啦。My appreciation skills 我好強嘅一個欣賞技巧咧，令到我可以完全掌握 fully grasp 完全掌握嗰啲詩人想分享啲乜嘢，同埋去教啲乜嘢喺個 workshop 度。In other words, I can make the most of the workshop。即係 in other words 一個好嘅形容詞嘅話咧，你可以換句話説啦，你可以盡用呢個 workshop 喺呢個 workshop 得到最多嘅嘢，so that I can greatly improve my poem writing skill。咁我因此我可以大大改善我寫詩嘅技巧啦。More importantly, I have an ambition to promote poetry。我有個野心，我有個野心啦，去 promote 去推廣呢個詩句，喺去大眾推廣呢個詩句啦。To fulfill this ambition，要完成呢個目標，我需要學知識、加技巧，同埋取得一啲 inspiration，即係一啲叫做啟發，從一啲偉大嘅作家取得一啲啟發啦。咁呢個 workshop 就令到我可以實現呢個夢想嘅。I'm looking forward to meeting distinguished poets。我好渴望咧遇到一啲好出色嘅詩人啦喺個 workshop。咁將我擺喺一個美好同埋一個刺激思考嘅環境當中咧，去增強我對於詩嘅觸覺。I hope I will be given。我希望我會俾一個提供，我會有一個機會去參與呢個 workshop，因此我可以咧為呢個詩嘅世界咧作出最大嘅貢獻。OK，嗱咁大家對於呢篇嘢有冇一個分享啊？有冇問題？
冇。
嗱冇咧，我今堂就完結㗎啦，因為咧其實最緊要係你哋要去寫，明唔明白？我講幾多咧就意義唔大嘅，你真係要去寫。OK，咁希望你嗰篇我收到啦，因為近排我都好多課我今日會俾埋嗰篇嘢你，有冇問題？係啦，所以我都要有翻啲時間去改嘢嘅，好因為又要出功課又要改嘢，冇晒時間。OK，咁好啦，如果冇問題咧，今堂就完結啦。OK，咁多謝大家，咁我哋禮拜四亦都有課啊。好，咁大家今堂完結，好，拜拜，
拜拜。
拜拜。